Okay, welcome to Levi's Fan Channel. Levi's Papa got a new flamethrower, which he's been having a grand time with, and so we're getting ready to have a campfire, and Levi was noticing that he could see the reflection of the flames on this blade, and I thought, well, let's go ahead and catch it while we can. Okay, let's do it. One more spin down here. Let me, I'm almost got out of I got the fire out of there, and we want to make sure that we get that in there. It looks like the fire is about to die down a little bit. And it looks like the ceiling fan is slowing down for the last bit. Okay, hope you have a great day, and you can think of something you can do to help someone else have a great day too. Bye.